First, we have to do this division. 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. So we have 1 divided by 5 and again divided by 5. Now we have to do this division. 1 divided by 5 can be written as 1 over 5. Then divided by 5. Okay? Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 1 over 5 times 1 over 5, which equals 1 times 1 gives us 1. So we have 1 over 5 times 5 equals 25. So we have 1 over 25. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1 over 25, because when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. Okay? So 1 over 25 is the correct answer. But if you don't follow this rule and first do this division, then this division, and finally this division, you'll get the wrong answer. Like this. 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. Then this division. 5 divided by 5 again, which equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. So this answer is not correct. And our correct answer is 1 over 25.